All right, so while I think about what I want to do with the water, what I want to work on in the meantime is I want to put in two sliding drawers under the countertop right here. So I can show you what I'm doing with that. So here I have one of two drawers that I'm building to put under the countertop. I cut out 8 side pieces like this one and 2 bottom pieces so I could build 2 drawers. I am using these clamps to kind of hold them together while I put in some wood glue. There's wood glue in between the sides and the bottom to hold it together. Once the wood glue dries, I'll put in a couple of screws in places where hopefully you won't be able to see it when the drawer is actually installed, just to kind of hide it a little bit. But I think these came out pretty all right. I've never done this before, so, I didn't really know what to expect, but I think they came out pretty all right. This one is still drying, so I'll show you the other one, because the other one I've already done the glue and screwed together. So here's the drawer that's done. You can see on this side, there's a couple screws. There's one here, there's one at the end over there too, and there's like a series of screws on the bottom holding it together too. So I think with the glue and these screws, this thing will be perfectly fine, perfectly stable. So I'm pretty happy with this. What I need to do now is I bought these sliders. These go on the side, and they're what let the drawer slide out or not. So like here's one right here. I can push it out with my hand. So you can see it extends. It has a little soft closing mechanism too. So these are pretty nice. I like these. They're like $16 each or something. But I need to put those on the side of this and install them in the countertop over there, which I am probably going to have to put in some wood that will run along the sides of this, like this, so that these can actually attach to the drawers and the countertop. So I'm going to have to do that, which might be annoying. Hopefully it won't be, but I'm going to do that now. Alright, so got this on. Just need to do the same thing for the other side. So I think what I need to do is take my pencil, find where about 3.5 inches is on here, and mark that. So right around there. And then I guess I should do the same thing on the other side. And then I think I need to take this, try to put it on there, where the top is lined up with that. So like something like that. I think I'm going to try that. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to figure out how far back it should go. And this is slid on. It comes up and stops, like perfectly flush with that. And I need this sticking out to like there. I need this. So let's take this. Slide it onto there. And there we are. So then I just need to take this and screw that in. Or whatever. Mark like there. There. And then down here. So, now I hope I did this right. Tiny bit over 3.5 inches. This side is also a little bit over 3.5 inches. This is like 31 millimeters. This is like also 31-ish. Okay. Now, moment of truth. was that? It slides really well. I think this is good. It's got a good little grip. It doesn't just slide as much as it wants. Okay, sweet. I'm pretty happy with this. So I need to take the other drawer and also put a couple screws in it, finish it up, and then I can install it on the other end. Sweet. Okay, maybe you can tell by the lighting, but it is much later. This first drawer went in so easily, like everything was correct the first time I measured and put it in. And the second drawer, I had to adjust and move and tweak where these were screwed in like 1,000 times before I finally got this to where it slides in and out smoothly. But I think I finally have it. So here's a quick demonstration. You can kind of reach under here, pull it out, pulls out like that. Looks all nice. Push it right back. Very good. Drawer number 2. Reach under here, pull it out, comes out, looks all nice. Push it right back in, just like so. I do have room. I could fit in like a third drawer right here if I wanted to, but I think I just want to leave this open for like a big door or something. So now that that's out of the way, that's one of my big unknowns, was doing this. I was very unsure of how I would perform with building these drawers, but I'm very happy with them. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with this pump. I think I'm going to try to reorder a new one, which is annoying. Maybe I can get speed shipping to get it in the next day or two. But with these out of the way, the next thing I need to do is figure out the cabinets I want to put up there. That's probably what I'm going to do next, or one of the things. I want to put a cabinet or two up there. Aside from that, I think I'll start putting the actual paneling on the wall over here that you're going to see. It's the cosmetic stuff, because with these drawers in, now I can start covering this all up, put in the wood over there, cover up the walls, and I think we'll be good to go over here. So I think that's my objective, is this left side of the car covered up. So I'm gonna get started on that. I probably won't be able to do very much today because it's already late, but I will get on that. See you soon.